trading on Binance Futures, check out our comprehensive guide. Log into your account and click on the calculator icon on the bottom right. There are multiple tabs, each allowing you to calculate different values. We'll go over each one, but let's start with P&L. It's used to calculate the initial margin that you need to enter into a position, your profit and loss, or P&L, and your return on equity, or ROE. Let's say we want to enter a long position of 1 BTC at 8,000 USD with 20x leverage. You'll notice that as we increase the leverage, our maximum position size decreases. We'll exit the position at 8,500. Let's click on Calculate. Okay, we can see that to enter this position, we're going to need to put up $400 as the initial margin. This may slightly differ from the actual value we're required to put up for the position, as the calculation for initial margin also includes the difference between mark price and last price. Don't know what mark price and last price is? Check out our article. So for this position, our profit would be $500, and our percentage return on our equity would be 125%. Now let's hop over to the target price tab. It lets you enter the desired returns in percentage and calculate what price you'll need to reach for those returns. Let's say we enter our long position again at $8,000 with 20x leverage, and we're looking for a 10% return. We should exit the position at $8,040. But if we decrease the leverage to 10x with the same parameters, then our target price is now $8,080. And now the liquidation price tab. Liquidations on Binance Futures happen based on mark price. Again, it is very important for you to know the difference between mark price and last price. So we're going to enter our long position of 1 BTC again at $8,000 with 20x leverage. And additionally, it's going to check our wallet balance. The wallet balance is our initial margin and our realized and unrealized P&L. Since it includes unrealized P&L, this balance will change based on open positions. So let's say we're going to have $400 in our wallet for this position. This means that if we enter at $8,000, we're going to be liquidated at this price. However, let's say we add another $400 to our account and increase our wallet balance to $800. Now our liquidation price has been lowered. Since we added more funds to our wallet balance to be used as collateral, our liquidation price is further from our entry price. And this is how you can use the Binance Futures calculator.